Hi everyone, I'm Mary and this is Leah. We're here at Northwest Sewing Center. So let's celebrate. In June we have a 2-day event here at Northwest Sewing Center. We're going to do 5 projects and Leah's going to tell us about it.
So we've got our gift card holder here. Comes in a cute cupcake format. And we've got the centerpiece little wrap here. We have a straw topper that you can also use as a cupcake topper. And my personal favorite, the snack treat bag that has embroidery on top of the vinyl. Super fun. And finally, the party banner here. Each of these projects is very quick and easy to make and user-friendly.
And you get the complete kit with it too at the event. All the projects and stabilizers, everything. So come join us on, I've got it here, it'll be June 29th and 30th here at Northwest Sewing Center, and have fun with us sewing all these projects.